Feeling trapped by anxiety and stress? Here's how to break free from your mental prison in just minutes. When overwhelming thoughts feel like you're stuck in a nightmare, try the three-path technique. First, acknowledge your fear. Just like choosing the left path, face what's scaring you head on. Take 4 deep breaths and name 3 things you can see around you. Second, ground yourself in reality. Like the straight path ahead, focus on facts, not fears. Press your feet firmly on the ground and remind yourself where you are right now. Third, find your escape route. Like the right path to freedom, create a simple action plan. Ask yourself what's one small thing you can do right now to feel better. Maybe it's calling a friend, taking a walk, or drinking water. Remember, anxiety tricks your brain into thinking you're trapped, but you always have choices. Your mind might feel like a scary place sometimes, but you have the power to find the exit. Take control of your thoughts before they control you.